Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. There were inauspicious returns to the track for sprinters Kamara Bailey-Cole and Michael O'Hara at the J3's All-Comers Meet on Saturday, on a night when athletes sharpening up for next month's national senior and junior trials had to battle a strong headwind. Making a return after suffering an injury during last year's National Senior Championships, Bailey-Cole, the 2014 Commonwealth champion, finished 18th overall in 10.93. His racers teammates Senna Joy Givens and Kenroy Anderson were joint winners, both clocking 10.44. Meanwhile, after having to leave the Commonwealth Games last month early due to an injury, Julian Fort of MVP finished third in 10.45. And after not appearing on the local track circuit since last season, the former Calabar standout O'Hara could only manage 8th in the men's 200 meters in a pedestrian 22.12. The event was taken by his racer's teammate Miguel Francis in 20.87, with national 400-meter record holder Rasheen McDonald second in 21.24. Taekwondo Tracy of MVP was third in 21.39. And Nesta Carter, who is expected to get word this week on his appeal to the Court of Arbitration for Sport on a retroactive drug violation, was 7th in 21.39. Meanwhile, on the women's side, Commonwealth bronze medalist Gayon Evans of Sprint Tech won the women's 100 meters in 11.99. Jodine Williams won the women's 200 in 23.96, ahead of Natasha Morrison of Sprint Tech 24.42 and Spraboni Nandi of MVP 24.44. And Rhonda White of Sprint Tech won the women's 400 meters in 52.92, with schoolgirl Stacey Ann Williams second in 53.37 and Daniel Dowie of MVP third in 53.59. Half-miler Simoya Campbell also made a return to the track to take her pet event in 2 minutes 05.90 seconds.